The village of Eriyava in remote Kurunegala is visually attractive, especially in a quaint or charming way. However, the lives of the people living there are quite the opposite due to the threats of encroaching wild elephants. From the deep jungle surrounding the village, wild elephants cause massive destruction, and the village school also faces the same threat. These are the students of the Eriyava Mahinda Primary School, and due to the threat of wild elephants, they are always on the edge. The only solution to this issue is setting up an electric fence to ward off the wild elephants. Former Customs Director and former Presidential Advisor on Customs, Mr. Ranjan Piyasiri Dantanarayana from Ratmalana stepped forward to financially support the program. Accordingly, construction of an electric fence commenced on the 28th of June. Today, on the 7th of July, Gammadda was able to complete the construction of this electric fence to ward off wild elephants, bringing smiles to the faces of the children and relief to worried parents. The electric fence was constructed under the supervision of the local wildlife officers and the Provincial Engineer's Office. Forest Ranger of the Wildlife Office in Galgamua, Gayan Madhushanka, Eriyava Grama Niladari W.M. Jayantaherath, Principal of the Eriyava Mahinda Primary School Anil Gamini Vijayratna, Mahava Zonal Education Director R.M.I. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Ahatuava Divisional Secretary W.M. Udyanika Veerasinghe, Gammadda General Secretary Prasanna Tukorala, and Siobhan Daniel of the Gammadda Movement were among those present at the occasion. Mr. Ranjan Piyasiri Dantanarayana, who stepped forward to financially support the program, also brought gifts for the village children. Starting today, the students of this village can engage in their studies without any fear.
අද හරි සතුටින් අපි කියනවා ඕනම වෙලාවක ඕනම දරුවෙක් අරගෙන මේ විද්‍යාලයට එන්න හොඳ ආරක්ෂාවක් තියෙනවා.
ගමට දවල්ට අලියාවා කියොත් ඉස්කෝලේටත් අලි එයි කියන බය තියෙනවා. ඒත් දැන් එහෙම බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ අපිට. මේ ඉස්කෝලේ වටේ මේ ගහලා තියෙන වැට නිසා ගම්මැද්ද වැඩසටහනේ මේ කරපු ක්‍රියාවට ගොඩාක් මේ ස්තුතියි. ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩාක් පිං අපේ ළමයිට බයක් නැතුව අකුරු කරන්න පුළුවන් දැන්.
The village also decided to plant lime trees in order to protect the fence. Mr. Ranjan Piyasiri Dantanarayana, who financially supported the program, celebrated his birthday with the happy children and villagers. Today, the children of this village wore smiles that money cannot buy. What more can Gammadda ask for? Gammadda, for the people, by the people.